wash it clearly. Next, prepare chilies and wild. This food is going to cook some another way. So start this. Preparing for cooking. When my cooking is finished, I tasted that. Thank you. It's another way to cook fish. Today I'm going to cook. I collected from my head and prepared. I first wash it clearly and going to cook. I cook it and fry it and give serious extra risky. Chilies, dry chilies, and prepare is finished. My cooking, at last my cooking is finished, so I taste it. First drink my chocolate.